Tastes so good, heavenly, creamy, thick. Mmm. Mmm. This is it, guys and girls. They put lots of fruits and nuts, not just doing the commercialized invites on their cover of the whatever packaging that they have, but this is absolutely doing their what they have put on the cover or in front of the packaging. Enjoying this so much. Love it. Bye for now. Have a great day. Godspeed.